What if I told you that the people making the most money online right now aren't working harder? They're working with better tools? AI has completely changed the game. And in 2026, the gap between people who use these tools and people who don't is only getting bigger. Here's the data that should wake you up. AI-enabled freelancers are reporting 25 to 47% higher earnings and 25 to 40% faster delivery than those working without AI. And AI-related freelance work on Upwork crossed $300 million in annualized value by late 2025, with freelancers on AI projects earning 44% more per hour than everyone else. Jobbers media ambitious isn't the future. This is right now. So let me break down the exact AI tools people are using to make real money online. Tool number 1. ChatGPT. This is the starting point for most people, and for good reason. ChatGPT is the most widely used AI tool among freelancers, with 57% of freelancers using it regularly. But here's how people are actually making money with it, not just asking it random questions. Freelance writers are using it to handle first drafts, outlines, and research, which lets them take on 4 times the client load in the same amount of hours. Coaches and consultants are using it to build course outlines, write email sequences, and create digital products in days instead of months. Beginners applying AI to freelance services can earn $500 to $2,000 per month within 90 days. Experienced freelancers with AI-augmented services are pulling $5,000 to $15,000 per month. Emergent Chat Plus costs $20 a month. The ROI on that is ridiculous. Tool number 2. Midjourney. If you've ever thought about making money with design, Midjourney just removed every barrier to entry. Midjourney holds roughly 25% market share in the generative AI image space as of 2025. Designers are using it to generate 10 to 15 visual concepts in the time a single mock-up used to take. How does this make money? Thumbnail designers are charging $30 to $75 per thumbnail. Social media managers are using Midjourney to create branded content for clients. Print-on-demand sellers are generating unique product designs at scale, and the basic plan starts at just $10 a month. You could land one client and cover that cost in 5 minutes. Tool number 3. Canva AI. Canva was already the most beginner-friendly design tool on the planet. Now with AI built in, it's become a full-blown income generator. People are building Canva template businesses, creating resume templates, social media kits, business card packs, pitch deck templates, and selling them on Etsy and Gumroad. You design it once using Canva AI, list it, and collect passive income every time someone buys it. Selling digital products like planners and templates is one of the fastest growing AI income strategies in 2026. You create once and sell repeatedly. Some sellers are moving hundreds of template packs a month with zero ongoing work. Oxford Home Study Tool number 4. Claude, or ChatGPT for AI automation services. This is where the real money is, and most people don't even know it exists yet. Small businesses are paying $500 to $3,000 a month for someone to set up and maintain simple AI automation workflows, things like automated email responses, content repurposing pipelines, and customer FAQ chatbots. Companies are paying thousands of dollars for what are essentially simple automation systems that save them time and reduce manual work. And you don't need to be a developer to do this. No-code tools like N8N and Zapier handle most of it. KD Nuggets 78 of organizations now use AI in at least one function, and most of them need help implementing it effectively. Demand far exceeds qualified supply. That's premium pricing. However, and it's available right now. Medium. Here's what you need to understand. In 2026, clients are actively searching for freelancers who use AI because they know it means faster turnaround and lower costs. We're not selling AI, we're selling outcomes. AI just helps us deliver them faster. Codefer Geek question isn't whether AI is going to change how money is made online. It already has. The question is, are you on the right side of that shift? Pick one tool from this list, learn it for 30 days, then find one client. That's how it starts. If this video hit different, subscribe. We drop money content like this every single week on Cashflow Hacks.